Hi, I'm Wyatt. I'm going to unbox the Gravitrax marble run. How to make a simple marble run. Yeah, these are the two sets I'm using. If this video gets 10 likes and 10 subscribes, I'll make a medium one. So first thing you need is these plates. Of course, it might look big, but I have built one of these before, so I am pretty good. But today we'll just start off with these two. Okay, first things first. You'll need this and 5 of these. So put it, the computer. So you place one you can connect these pieces and there, and you place that on. So next thing, you'll need a turn piece and 3 of these to that. Then you need to take this so you can connect it. Then you take marble and I'm going to test it. So it works. So this might seem a bit complicated. It's actually very easy. You take these one quarter, and you place 2 of these. Just a tiny bit lower. So you can split. It might seem a bit complicated at first, but when you get good at it, I have practice. So then it'll go a random way, but that's not what happens. So I'll use a different piece. So I'll just take one off and replace it, so I can just get a bit more speed. Like a catapult. So you pull it back, then you do that. And you take one of these, you place it there. The other side, it's not going to be happy for the marble. I'm just saying. And it's finished. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You see? So if I go, so it'll pick a random path. And that's it. I'm going to do a face reveal pretty early, like right now. So this is my face. Okay, bye.